Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I want to share with you guys some of my favorite products that I've been using and that I'll be using for fall and winter. And I'll start off with one of my favorite products, and I had to repurchase this one. This is the Mario Badescu Skincare Facial Spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water. Um, I got this one the other time and I had to repurchase it again. I wasn't sure which one, if to get the cucumber or this one, but I felt like this one worked really well for me and I didn't break out or anything. And I feel like what has helped me, especially because I told you guys in previous videos that my skin has been kind of dry, what I do is I spray some of this before I put on my foundation, and I feel like it has helped me so much. And I went to Ulta and they were having a sale, so I think I got this one for about $3. They're normally like 5, which I think is a pretty good price for a facial mist, and it helps me really well. Something else that I wanted to try out and I really like it is this elf 16-hour camo concealer. Let me tell you, I feel like that at my age, I'm not really wanting to conceal so much and have that beautiful, flawless skin, because I know I don't. But I feel like since I do have these under eyes, like bags, um, under eye bags, I just wanted to try it out. And I got the color light beige. And I don't know, for some reason, I feel like when I do go to Ulta, like the people there are not that helpful. I asked someone to color match me and they just couldn't color match me for some reason. She was having such a hard time that I told her, you know what, I'll try it myself. I'll just take this one. And let me tell you, I'm really impressed. And this one is normally $5 as well. And I got it for $3.50 because I used a coupon also. So I think I did pretty well at Ulta. Something else I did purchase that I saw another blogger use and said it was by far one of her favorite nude lipsticks and that lasts all day. This is the NYX Lingerie Professional Makeup, and it is in the color Push Up. Let me tell you, I searched it on the internet and it seemed like it was very popular. Like, this color was very popular, and it was for sure, because they're selling it on Amazon for about $10, $11, but I got it at Ulta. It was normally $7, but I got it for $4, and I thought that was a really good price. And let me tell you that this color, they only had this one left. So I think I had luck that day, because this was the only one left. And I feel like this is a beautiful, like, natural color, especially for fall and winter. Like, if you want to do a lot of smoky eye, like for holidays, and you just want to do like a beautiful nude lip, this is a really nice lipstick. But I feel like it is a little dry, so I had to put something under it because I feel like it is a little dry, but the color is beautiful. Another one that I saw is this NYX Professional Makeup Lip Pencil, and it is in the color Nude Beige. I wanted something like this color, which is really pretty, that I can line my lips with before I put in this one. And these match pretty well, and I think it's a really nice look, like I tell you, especially for me, like everyday look as a mom. I don't want to have something like too bright for every day. So I think this is a really nice color, really nude, like pretty nude. So I definitely recommend these, you guys. I'm kind of picky, especially when I buy stuff at Ulta or Sephora. I don't want to spend too much money, but I also want to get really good products. And I feel like these products are really good. Like, if you guys have seen reviews, they have really great reviews. And I just wanted to try them out myself. Well, this one I've had before, so I've used it myself and I like it. But the other ones is my first time trying out, and I love them and I recommend them to you guys. If you guys are looking for affordable, really good makeup, you guys should check out Ulta. So I hope you guys like these kind of videos. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.